Are you looking to venture into goat farming or enhance your existing goat operation? Our goat farming short course presented by Agri Skills Transfer provides the essential knowledge and practical skills to succeed in this rewarding industry. Discover the intricacies of goat breeds, nutrition, reproduction, and herd health management. Our 3-day intensive course covers topics such as pasture management, milking techniques, and value-added goat product development. Whether you're a beginner or experienced goat farmer, you'll benefit from our expert-led training. Gain hands-on experience through farm visits and practical demonstrations. Our curriculum is designed to help you maximize your goat farm's profitability while ensuring the well-being of your animals. Learn how to produce high-quality goat meat, milk, and other products for high profits. Unlock the potential of goat farming with Agri Skills Transfer. Enroll in our course today. Visit the link in the video description for more information and to register. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more exciting content on pig farming and agriculture. See you in the course.